see. Keep on singing. It heals my heart, saves my soul. It's the air I'm breathing. Your grace, grace, grace over me. It's your grace, grace, grace over me. Yeah. And I don't deserve a thing, I don't deserve a thing. You opened up your arms, you gave it all away. It's your grace, grace, grace over me. Oh, I fail time and time again. But it never stops you, it never stops you. Oh, you're loving me to the end. And you're making me new. It heals my heart, it saves my soul. It's the air I'm breathing. Your grace, grace, grace over me. It's your grace, grace, grace over me. Yeah.
So the treasures we've left out here, they left us a swing. Go wash it off, of course. And then inside, and I don't know why they would leave it unless they just thought it was the place it belonged and they couldn't remove it. The ship, the USS Constitution, it is coming in the house and going on top of my armoire. I love it. And they left me a good coal oil. I have several. I can get a flue for that. I think I may even have a flue for that. So that's a treasure. A couple of pictures here that I will sell. This is actually a Hobby Lobby picture. It's really nice. And that one's a really nice picture too. It is. The bamboo, plastic, I love it. But we are... It smells a lot better in here than it did, doesn't it? Just getting air in here. We don't understand they've got, it's like a black tar paper in it. Yep. This carpet, which I call indoor-outdoor carpet myself, on these floors. So we're going to see what's under these floors. Oh, yes. Jesus. I should have brought a garbage bag. Oh, I got one. Oh, thank you, Jesus. This is so weird. Oh, please be solid. Please be a solid floor with no patching. Look. Well, that's under the baseboard. Under the wood. So they added that. Okay, so here's the reveal of our plans, our hopeful plans. This cabin is going to become an income producer for us and become an Airbnb. We have, there's a lot of Airbnbs in the area. There's none that are a rustic that I could find that are the real rustic. And it's small, it's intimate. We're going to add stuff in here actually from the house. There's really narrow cabinets. Well, I mean, it's all in there. It's all laid out. We'll add a shower into the clawfoot tub. And we will rent this out as an Airbnb for as long as we feel like we need to. Of course, we want the extra income. That'll be nice, but we want the extra income, and we want to be able to use that income to really fix up the cabin. All of the time that I have been looking, or we have been looking for property, Kevin doesn't really care. He's real easygoing, and I'm the one that has had all these dreams and desires and have been dying to get back to the country, just living in the country. And he really didn't care, so here we are in the country. And we kind of lived in the country where we were. We were backed up to 76 acres of woods, and we have quite a few hundred acres here of woods next to us. And one of the things I was looking for the whole time was, did it have a barn? If it didn't have a barn or a shop, I would scroll past it. I wouldn't even look at the house. I mean, really, it had to be a really, really amazing thing for me to stop and look at it if it didn't have a barn or a shop. Well, we saw the shop here and the cabin. We had no idea there was a barn here when we bought this place. And when we came to look at it, hold on. Oh, I thought I had found a cow's tooth or a horse tooth, but it was a piece of wood. But anyway, we were shocked. I was shocked, and it kind of sealed the deal for me in my heart, because if you know me at all, you know I love to buy and sell and do antiques. I'm an auction fanatic. I love it. I get so into it. It's just a bargain to be had, and I'm there to get it. And I like to buy cheap, sell cheap. I'm not greedy. I'm not looking to get rich. I'm looking to make friends and contacts with dealers that need a supplier to help them stay in stock. And I like to shop, and I have to have somewhere to get rid of it at. You can't keep everything. And I might go to auction and buy a whole truckload of stuff that I don't want, but I know I can sell and make some money on. And I hope to, and I've had antique booths here and there for years. I had a really great one at Arkansas Peddler's Antique Mall, and gas had gone up, and I didn't have my insurance yet, and I was in really, really bad health, and I couldn't even lift the furniture that I was trying to carry in there. And Kevin would have to come with me. I'd have to wait. We would spend our, one day on the weekend having to go do that, and that wasn't good. He only had 2 days off, works hard. But anyway, we're going to stay on Rourke's Little Field. We're still going to hang with our friends. We're still going to homestead helpers and help our friends out and just have a good time living in the country and exploring the area. And we plan on getting a motorcycle soon, next spring probably. No need to pay on one in the winter unless they really have a good sale. But plan on start riding again. We plan on running an Airbnb, and I plan on selling antiques out of my barn, and y'all will get to come along with me while I thrift and auction. Y'all haven't got to do auction yet. There's one tomorrow. I'm gonna go see. I know I've met the man, and maybe he'll let me film a little bit. We'll see. But that's the plan. $5 so a really cute little cookie jar or whatever you want to jar. All right. This has the battery light in it. It's metal. This is just a cute little picture.
Brand new dragon. Connie, you here see this dragon?
$5.
That looks good in your front yard.
Well, I have been trying to find, there's no good outdoor flea markets that are in my genre of antiques, real antiques, primitive antiques. I don't like to resell wholesale stuff. I don't do that. I don't wholesale to retail stuff from China or Japan or Indonesia or anywhere. Nothing personal, but I don't do those kind of flea markets. I want the antique flea market, like they have so many up in the northeast and east of us. They have just wonderful, wonderful flea markets. Well, I'm going to set up this barn, and I'm only going to have a sale when I get it full. When I get it decorated like I want it, and I have the stuff in here like I want it, and I'll have a public sale. We don't know yet what we're going to do. I know I'm selling out of the barn. That's the second reveal. So our dream is coming true. We're going to be probably just really focusing on the cabin. April the 8th, 2024 is the solar eclipse, the full solar eclipse, and we are in the line for it. Everything out here is booked up. You can't get a place. They've done 3-night minimum, jacked their prices up. And I want to get in on that money train right there. And I may even rent my camper out. It just depends on insurance and liabilities, because we're not stupid. We weren't born yesterday. And we may end up just having a whole bunch of friends come and have a big solar eclipse party. So we have some repair to do, but looks pretty dry in there to me. We just had rain. Look at our American Beauty berries. It rained so much, and our gutters showed us how bad they actually were with the water overflowing. Well, tonight it's going to get down to 26, Kevin. 26. We got to get some firewood in. Yeah, we got a wood stove to burn now. But Kevin's raking this out, and we're going to go get us some leaf guard. Yeah. We're not going to deal with this every year. We're too old to get on the ladder. Not really. Our kids should come do it.